Hello, ang lesson natin na i-review ngayon is music for this coming September na assessment. Okay, so konting review lang. So first lesson is about notes and rest. So notes or rest are important musical symbol that you have to discover and learn. So kailangan natin maging familiar or alam natin ano yung mga symbols or drawing ng isang note sa rest. So meron silang corresponding. So like here sa drawing na to, sa graph na ito. So para maintindihan mo paano magbasa ng graph. So merong mga columns sa rows. So itong column na ito is about the name or anong klase ng note na ito. So itong note, itong rest. So pareho sila ng value sa whole note. Ito yung whole note, ito yung drawing na whole note, saka yung whole rest ito. At meron silang beats na 4 at yung measurement nila or ano yung paano siya na i-measure. So isa. So whole note, ito yung drawing, whole rest, 4 na beats sila. Ang half note, ito yung drawing, yung letter, parang letter D. Saka yung whole rest ay mukha siyang sombrero at meron siyang 2 beats at ganito siya pag-measure. So quarter note, ito. Quarter rest, 1 beat. 8 note, so meron siyang ganito. At ang 8 rest, parang siyang number 7. At meron siyang 1/2 beat. So ganito siya pag-measure din. So 16 note, so ganito siya. May dalawa siyang linya dito. So merong parang makatulad sila sa 8 note, pero merong dagdag na drawing or linya. At meron siyang 1/4 beat. Okay, so ginawan ko ito na graph para mas madaling makita at maintindihan. So, yung sound ay meron silang mga corresponding na move, kung paano sila nag-move, parang example lang. So, merong walk, walk. So, nag-change din yung beat depending sa music natin, di ba? So, hindi na siya monotonous yung music. Merong paiba-iba. So, merong mabilis, mabagal, mabilis, So, ganito din yung yung sounds, kung not too long and not too short, so we can use the move or example of walk. Pag fast naman, running. Long sound, slide. Longer sound, stretch. So, ganito siya. Example dito. Yung walk, running. So, meron siyang, ito yung slide. So, sa walk, isa lang slide. Sa running is the same with walk, isang slide. Isang, tawag nito, isang beat. So, yung slide long sound. So, ino-occupy niya dalawang space. Dito, dalawa. 1, 2, okay. So, each walk falls under 1 stick. So, ginagawa siyang 1 stick, 2 stick, 3 stick, saka 4 sticks. So, ang walk, merong 1 stick, pati yung running, 1 stick. Ang slide, they have 2 sticks. Okay? Right, 2 sticks. Yung slide. Yung stretch naman with longer sounds, they have 4 sticks. So, makita natin dito, 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks. Okay. So 1 stick for walk. So, kung half-half, meron siyang running din. Running. So, mas mabilis lang yung running, pero they also have 1 stick. Okay, slide. Have 2 counts. 1, 2. 1, 2. So, lastly, yung stretch will get 4 counts. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 counts. So, depending siya sa sounds, kung not too long, not too short, walk siya na merong 1 count. Yung fast naman, mabilis lang siya, pero it has also 1 count. Yung long sound or slide, they have 2 counts. Yung longer sounds, they have 4 counts. Okay? So let's memorize yung note and rest na chart. Kung ano yung sa whole note, ano yung sa rest na corresponding, at ilan yung beats niya, at paano siya na-measure. So yung quarter rest, they look like letter Z and C. And match quarter, kita natin ito, yung quarter rest, ito quarter, yung pangalan. So hanapin natin yung nabilong. So rest, so dito siya nabilong. So quarter, tapos rest. So dito, ito yung paano gamitin yung graph. So quarter rest look like a letter Z and C. Ang match quarter niya ay ito yung match quarter niya. Sa whole note, ito note. So ang corresponding niya ito, quarter note, na ito yung drawing na parang letter D. And they both have one count. Okay, one count. So dito na naman tayo sa 8 rest. So hanapin natin yung 8. So 8. Hanapin natin kung nasaan na yung rest. So note, rest. So dito. So dito 8 rest. So ito siya. So meron siyang kamukhang number 7. At ang katulad na notes ay 8 notes. Ito yung drawing. Meron siyang buhit na ganun na letter D. Mukhang letter D. Yung beats naman, so dito siya, titingnan natin yung beats. So they have 1/2 beats. So dito naman tayo sa half rest. So hanapin natin sa name yung half. Nandito. So sa rest tayo. So ang half rest ay mukhang sombrero. Okay, ang corresponding niya, no. So dito tayo titingin. Half, then note. So letter D pero wala siyang kulay sa baba. At ilang yung beats nila? So tingnan natin sa beats. Dito, half, tapos beats. So they have 2 counts. Okay, 2 counts that they look like a hat. So yun ang paraan para magbasa ng graph. So meron dito kind or count, symbol of note, or symbol of rest. So ano yung match ng symbol of note sa quarter? Meron din siyang corresponding na value sa symbol of rest. So yung note, meron siyang sound. Yung rest, mag-pause ka or mag-silence. So magka-count ka kung ilang count mo paano mag-sounds. Kung rest naman, magka-count ka bago ka ulit magsa-sound. So pause yun. Okay? So kailangan natin i-memorize ito. So meron mga activity na ginawa si teacher na parang i-correspond yung beat. So alam na ito ni Axira. So siya na yung bahala kasi mas magaling siya yung paano niya i-act or yung gawin itong activity na ito. So I just review yung mga symbols of notes and rest. Okay? At paano magbasa by graph. Okay. So walk with a quarter note. Tapos running, which look like this. Ito parang letter D pero meron siyang kulay sa baba. Running will get 2 8 notes with look like this. So ito. Or ganito. So kung dalawang 8 notes, pwede ganito ang pagsulat. Isa-isa. Or pwede mo siyang lagyan ng linya sa taas. Okay, slide will get a half note which look like this. Stretch will get a whole note which look like this. Yung circle lang. Ito yung whole note. Okay. So, we'll do activity for parong-parong bukid. Uses rest in between lines of the song. What kind of rest was used? So, okay. Done na tayo sa lesson 1. Let's go to lesson 2, yung rhythmic patterns. So, dito naman tayo sa rhythmic patterns. If your previously learned about different musical symbols, yung mga notes sa rest, diba? Ito, yung mga symbols. No. Okay, so ito yung rest, ito yung note. Okay. So rhythmic pattern describe how sound and silence are put together. So meron mga time tayo. So, ito yung may clap, clap, tapos pause, then clap, clap. So, yung kanta ng Bahay Kubo. Diba? So, si teacher nagturo na niyan. Hindi ako magtuturo kasi hindi ako magaling sa pagkanta. But I can read notes. So, this is an example of rhythmic pattern found in Bahay Kubo. This pattern is usually a combination of a short sound. Remember the short sound? Yung walk. Okay, yung long sound is run. So using the notes that you know is a combination of a quarter and half note. So ito yung quarter saka half note. Okay, so rhythmic patterns can be made within a beat. For instance, a group of 4 beats can have the pattern below. Try to clap the different patterns. So meron silang mga patterns. So paano maklap? Okay. So this one has one count, one count, one count. Okay, some of a beat can get 2 short sounds. See the example below. So, short sounds yung dalawa. So, like this one. Dalawang quarter notes. May linya dito sa taas. At ito yung whole note. Some sound can last for more than 1 beat. So, yung sound na prolong siya o mahaba siya. Yun yung apat na counting. Yung whole note. Okay. So rhythmic patterns can also use sounds and silence together. See the patterns below. Okay, so ginamit yung whole note para may sound. Yung rest is to pause or so silent. So ganito yung magiging music niya. So merong tugtog, then mag-pause, then tugtog ulit. So ganito yung rhythmic pattern. So mag-rhyme siya. Okay, here is the claps. So pag ganito, clap, 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 yung drawing na ito. Then clap side. So meron siyang snap left and right. Okay. Then clap half side. So ito yung gagawin mo na activity. Yung kanta ka, tapos with clap, clap, then slide. Okay. Ito yung gagawin ng mga activity. So, naturo ito ni teacher at alam na ito ni Aksira. So, hindi ko na ituturo. Steady beat naman, lesson 3. So, we have 2S, OTS, and 4S. Replacing a simple series of rhythmic patterns in measure of 2s, 3s, and 4s. Echo clapping. So, echo clapping works marching, tapping, chanting, dancing the walls, or playing the instrument. So, gagamitin na natin yung chant and hand clapping sa double-double. So, alam din ito ni Aksira. So, do a side first bump for the word double. So, do a partner palm clap for the word this. And do a background partner clap. Okay? So, ito, ano na kayo? Now, the transfer a bit to your feet. So, sa paa na naman. So, dito sa kamay. So, sa paa naman kung paano tayo mag-beat. So, the beat is important because of the pulse of the music. It helps you feel the music. It can be fast or slow, but it always steady. So, yung beat, kung paano siya, mabilis ba siya or mabagal. So, meron sila mga corresponding na pwede natin gawin sa ating kamay or paa. This can be grouped by 2s, 3s, or 4s. Aside from the grouping, strong and weak beats also help you understand the music. For the 2-beat grouping, the first beat is the strong beat, and the second beat is the weak beat. So merong siyang strong, ito yung first beat, medyo makapal siya. So weak siya yung pangalawa. So ito yung pattern ng 2-beat grouping. Okay. Okay, so whole notes have 4 beats per measure or 4 times a measure. Yung whole rest naman, silence for a whole measure. So ito yung difference ng whole note. Whole note has a sound. Yung whole rest is pause or silence. So meron dito mga, yung paano sila mayroong ilang beats nila. Yung half note, yung quarter. So half note has 2 beats of sound. Sa half rest has 2 beats of silence. Quarter note has 1 beat of sound. Quarter rest have 1 beat of silence. 8 note have 1/2 beat of sound. So 1/2, 1/2. Okay, sa 8 rest have 1/2 beat of silence. So yung 3 beats of grouping. So 1, 2, 3. So yung malakas niya ay sa first. Okay, babago na sa mga second and third. Sa fourth beat naman, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So merong malakas na beat sa first and the third one. So yung second at fourth, hindi ba siya, hindi malakas. So ganun yung paggawa ng beat. So may malakas, mahina, malakas, mahina. So depending sa beat ng music or na kanta. So learn this song, folks. Folk song, the first one is Salindumay and from the Cordilleras, the highland of northern Luzon. Is usually sung during special occasions such as wedding and welcoming celebration. So Salindumay itong. So alam na din ni Aksira yan paano gawin yung activity with the beat. The Bahay Kubo is about the vegetables or about the Filipino house. So meron siyang 3 beat. Tandaan, the Bahay Kubo has 3 beat grouping. So katulad nito, malakas at first, then second and third hindi malakas. So sa Lindumay have 2 beat groupings. So first yung malakas, ang sunod ay mahina. Okay, we have also here tweet tweet. Okay, lesson 4 na tayo. Ano ba? Okay, sa Lindumay. So remember to review the beat is the pulse of the music. It can be fast or slow, but it is always steady. Beats can be grouped together in 2s, 3s, or 4s. So tandaan ito, baka malalabas ito sa exam. The first beat is the strongest beat in a beat grouping. So always malakas yung simula, di ba? Mas makapal. So yung susunod, mahina, mahina. Okay? Lesson 4, repeats. So ano yung repeats? Okay? So repeat can be found in music and can be done through words, melody, and rhythm. You will also learn that ostinato is an example of a repeated pattern music, so paulit-ulit. So play a game similar with rock, paper, scissors. This is a popular rhyme that goes chimpoy, chimpoy. So paulit-ulit lang yung kanta. So mostly yung mga kanta sa nursery, yung pang baby, pang mga lilita bata. So yun yung mga repeat na beat or kanta. Okay, so this is the clapping game. Do a double check. So rock beats scissor, paper beats rock, scissor beats paper. It's a tie. So I can, what did we learn here? The game can go on for as long as you like. The chant can repeat over and over again. So from the word repeat, ulit-ulit siya. As long as there are people playing. So yun yung game ng rock, ano yun? Yung rock, paper, and scissors. So kung sino man kung as long merong naglalaro, paulit-ulit lang yung kanta. So repeat can also found in music. It can be done through words, melody, and rhythm. So at yung ostinato is an example of repetition in music. It is a pattern that repeats all throughout the song. It can be rhythmic or melodic. So learn the Madukayan folk song from the Colera region on the right. Now learn a simple rhythmic ostinato below that can be also done with the song. So meron siyang heart, line. So bigyan nato ng example ni teacher niya. So I'll be focused lang yung yung mga notes or mga symbols. This time, sing the song with a melodic ostinato. So, repeat in music can be symbolized. So, pag meron itong makita natin sa mga notes, di ba, meron man yung ganito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, meron man yun. Tapos, meron ganito. Diba? Tapos, may mga notes yan, yung quarter, whole note, ganyan. So, pag makita natin ito, na ganyan, tapos ganyan. It means i-repeat yung kanta. From a group with at least 5 members, so hindi po, so mayroong activity din yan. So, review, repeat can be found in music and can be done through words, melody, and rhythm. Ang ostinato ay example of a repeated pattern in music. Okay, let's do the activity. So, imamatch natin kung saan ang mga ano yung note? Anong tawag dito? So, meron mga choices. Ito naman yung sa rest. Okay, so answer this one. Okay, so ito naman, bigay mo din yung anong tawag dito na note or rest. Tapos ilang beat meron sila. So, for example here, binigyan ng example. So, number 1, this is a quarter note. and he has a 1 beat. So every number here has 2 answers. Okay, so not too long and not too short yung mga klase na sounds, and we have corresponding movement. So let's make a choice lang dito kung saan sila na-belong. Ganon din dito. Hindi siya natakpan, no? Okay. So ito naman, so bigay mo yung missing na drawing or beat or measurements. Okay, let's do that. At gawin itong activity or exercise natin yung activity para kung sakali si teacher magpa-demonstrate ng mga kanta na meron doon sa book, prepared ka. So, let's review what is beat and repeat. So, the beat is the pulse of the music. It can be fast or slow, but it's always steady. Beats can be grouped. Ito yung group into 2s, 3s, and 4s. Tapos, meron siyang, every beat niya, yung nagsa-start is always the strongest at yung susunod is medyo light. Okay? The first beat is the strongest beat. Okay, tama na. So, repeat in music. Repeat can be found in music. It can be done through words, melody, and rhythm. At yung ostinato yung example. A pattern that repeats all throughout a song. It can be rhythmic or melodic. So, yan. Okay, so we're done. So, I hope na ready na tayo for this coming exam. Tomorrow ba yun or by Friday? So, we'll wait for the yung instruction ni teacher. So, that's all. I hope nakatulong ito sa pag-review sa music. Okay, bye-bye!